Okay, guys, so this is an example of how to use Nearpod for one moment of assessment, in this case, a task. So let's imagine that this is the task. Students are talking about folk remedies and cultural beliefs. They need to create a list of folk remedies and the different cultural beliefs. And then, I am supposed to tell them the criteria. They are watching this screen in their Nearpods by means of using the link or the code that I share with them. So in this part, for example, I show them the criteria, right? The criteria of the activity. And I explain to them what a plus delta chart means when we are evaluating. So then it's a self-assessment moment, and they need to keep evaluating and monitoring on the use of this number 3, the use of the grammar, the use of the vocabulary, and expanding their ideas using some strategies that they already know. And then at the end of the activity, I open the space for them to actually write. So it means that I can see here who is writing their strengths and who is writing their weaknesses, right? For example, in this case, we have Caro Vega and Dani, who are writing their strengths and weaknesses based on the activity that they had. And I am able to see what they are writing. For example, here, Caro has one of her strengths is the causatives, which is the grammar for the day. Here, Dani is, for example, writing grammar and vocabulary. So I am able to see every single student's reflection, self-reflection here. Caro Vega is saying, I need to expand, okay, ideas better, etc., etc. Good. So this is the view of the teacher. But if we really want to see the view of the student, then I'm going to ask Dani or Caro to share their screens here in Zoom so that we can see the student's view. Okay, I mean what they can do. This is how they see it. They have the option for the text, right? Yeah, they have the option for the text to change colors, to submit their ideas. That's important here. Good. So that's a good example on how to use Nearpod for assessment practices, for a self-reflection. And at the same time, as I said, you can see all your students' ideas here in progress. Okay? Thank you.